Coffee prices have gone up, and soon it might be touching the sky. Coffee is at a 10 years high, and major coffee producing countries are facing a lot of challenges. Brazil, which produces approximately 35% of the world's coffee, has not received much rain this year. It has faced drought and also has been plagued by snowfall and frost, which has hampered the growth of the coffee plant. Colombia, which is another coffee producing country, has also not received a lot of rain for the growth of the coffee plant. Apart from that, the pandemic, as we all know, has affected the supply of products and commodities all over the world. Countries which export products to other countries have not been able to supply them at the appropriate time and at the appropriate place. This has led to a supply chain disruption, and the same has happened for coffee. Apart from that, farmers both in Africa and Brazil have faced a lot of challenges. Firstly, they do not get a minimum amount of money that they should get for producing coffee. Their expenses are more, way more than the revenue that they get out of production of coffee. This has left many farmers to abandon their work and look out for some better jobs elsewhere. Many farmers have not only abandoned their land but have also abandoned their work completely, which has made other farmers look out for better opportunities. Many such lands have remained vacant with the plants not being taken care of. This has led to a lot of loss of coffee plants, especially the Arabica plant, which produces premium coffee that we get at our favorite coffee outlets. So, coffee right now is inching higher up day by day, and there is a shortage of supply, but we are hoping, experts are hoping that it will be taken care of, and as of now, it has not really affected all the classes of people. The coffee at your table that you get is definitely a bit expensive, but if this continues, if the supply chain disruption keeps on going, if Brazil faces a lot of climatic challenges, and if farmers do not get the revenue that they deserve, the revenue that they actually need to produce coffee, if all these things are not taken care of, the coffee that you get on your table might as well get way more costlier than you had expected. Let's hope such issues will be tackled properly and efficiently, and the coffee that we all need early in the morning will be very much within our reach. So stay tuned to my channel as I bring to you a lot more updates. Bye for now.